Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have branding kit data, these files in AI and PSD. Property is 1.53 GBs, but I try to convert or compressed for you. Okay, and here is some extra, this folder for illustrator, and here is PSD. Click on here PSD. Here is 25 folder. For example, extract this. You can edit everything. Partner, here is partner business card or font design, and same here you can see. And here is Illustrator, 25 folders for Adobe Illustrator. And here is extra Photoshop. Here is frames and instant. Here is partner, colored. Wow, these files are in full HDR, high definitions, transparent, black and white. Wow, look, old book or old page. Here is frames, drag to Photoshop, you see. So you import any your designs, or you can write anything in this shape. Okay, these files are in CMYK color for printable, and similar as papers, silver, rose gold, gold 1, and here is watercolor. You can change color, press U, and you see. Okay, so you can change more color. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.